Assalamu alaikum. Hello, hi everyone. How are you? This is the third tutorial of learning Scratch. In my last tutorial, I showed how to download Scratch on computer and use as offline editor. And in last video, actually, I did one mistake, and in this video, I want to show you what the mistake I did. And what is like, I wanted to move the cat to back and forth and want to move the turn, but when I use the turn I did one mistake. It was upside down. So in this tutorial I'll show you how you can move your sprites from back and forth. So first we'll go to event section. Here lots of trigger. When click, when space key pressed, you can read and you can keep experiment every block so that it will you will be familiar with all building blocks with the category wise. So I'll use when the green flag is click. Then I want to move this cat back and forth. So I want to set the forever building blocks. So I'll do the go to the control sections here, the forever, and to do that forever the cat will move. So cat will move. In the motion section we can get the move, and I want to say hello as well. So the look section, it has hello. Here is say hello for 1 second, so it will wait. So I want to use that, and the second I want to reduce is 1. So move steps, and when the cat will move I want to change the his costume. So when you click the sprite here, you can go to the costume section. We can see two costumes. So one is like flat a leg and another is like little bit different. It will looks like the cat is moving. So in the code sections I want to change each steps. I want to change the cat's costume. So I'll change the costume and say hello second. So let's see what it will do now. I'll click. See, it's waiting and it's moving. So it will move forever, but I want to add little functionality here and to increase the cat's move little bit more. I set the 20, and now I want to okay and to set her back position. And the if statement, the we'll use the control section and we'll learn the how the if statement works. It means if the cat turns on the edge, I want to know move opposite direction and start walking again. So for that I need to add the if statement here, control sections, and the condition we'll use. See the hexagon. Now if you go to the sensing section you can find the hexagon or hexagon shape, and here the touching mouse pointer or other. See here, now I'll select in the upside arrow down drop. Here I will choose the edge. I want the cat bounce and back to opposite direction. But in last tutorial I did this rotation turn in 180 degrees, but first we need to set the rotation left to right. Then when you use the turn 180 degree, it will turn in opposite direction. So I'll use that. Okay, now let's see how it works. So okay, click. Cat is moving and saying hello. It looks like cat walking. When it touches the edge, it will turn left and it will move again. So when you want to turn your cat in left to right, you can do like this. Cat means cat. Okay, and another you can do, we can play sound meow. Instead of saying hello, we can say in the sound section, if you play the sound, play sound meow. I want to move the steps little bit more. No matter if you want to put your if statement first, then the move, it works. First, it will when click is it will check the forever block. That means the code inside the forever it will follow that. Now after the forever block, it will check the if statement. If it's not, then it will do the next. So now it click. You can see the cat is playing the meow sound and is keep continuing. Okay. Another things you can do that not the play sound. I want cat play sound when it tasks the edge. So look how it works. When the green flag is click, see, let's move so fast and do the play sound. So I want a little slow when the green flag is click. Hmm. What I did mistake here. I don't. Oh, the cat in the, here the cat was at the tossing edge. So when I click the green flag, it is say the forever if tossing edge, the turn and play sound mew. So here cat is already tossing. That's why the cat is not moving. So if I move cat little bit further and play the sound, then you can see that it walk. When it touches the edge, it's play sound. So that's the end of this video. If you want to make your sprites move and touch the edge and do the things, turn left to right, you can do like that. So in the next tutorial, we'll learn something new. Okay. If you like my tutorial, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Bye.